Hello, my name is Laura. Today I walk presente travel itinerary of Samana Caldas, the largest municipality in the department of Caldas, invites to emerge our south and tours Tacuel en la YouTube de Aprixer te by the Versi of the Samana. Ecosystem erecten ecolax. Shook defeco to describe en words ag lagoon. Annually discover volcano in 25,000. Very attentive. And therefore inhabitants are the main reason for you to visit this place in addition to its trees with many years of story. Duration of the drive. The drive lasts 3 days and 2 nights. Day 1, you can take an ecolax walk. Day 2, navigate by boat through the lagoon. Day 3, you can swim in the Honey River and nice you will the frequent to begin se Egniplex in our municipality. Mean of transportation. Take the bus goes directly down Igda. You can use motorcycle to head there fast. Activity to do. Antes for they relax and enjoy the incredible contrastado nature resort of Florence after acts. And are second day you will include to the full selling a canoe or boxing through the enormous lagoon. And these lands they with wheels take you to see the main attraction of the municipality and checking to offering an incredible swimming plans in the river Lacani and River Moor. Please to stay. Hotel Center Saman, Hotel Termales El Escondite. Typical food. Among the typical food of Samana we will find the creme with horse, fried porkies, green juice, chocolate with cheese, snacks, coffee. The cost is between 1,500,000. Thank you.